And hello there again, the fans and folks. This is Mix Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mix Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is a Pbandai exclusive from the HG Gundam Age series. We have the Artemis and the Razor set. So we have Gundam Age-1 Razor and Gundam Age-2 Artemis set. So Gundam Age-1 Razor actually appeared in the Unknown Soldiers, something that's in the Hobby Japan magazine, while the Artemis is from the EXA log. I think it's some sort of a video game. So as you can see in the box art, yes, this is a two-set package wherein we have the Razor and the Artemis side by side. And off to the side, we just see here Gundam H1 Razor and a Gundam H2 Artemis set. Same on the side here, and of course same on the side here. All right. Now let's see and open what's inside the box of the screen set. We have actually one bag with three runners, all whites, gray, and blue. Another bag with all whites. Another bag with two runners or two screws, some white and gray. Another bag for gray and red. And one more bag for a multicolored one and blue. And this bag here is all gray and lightsaber effects. And another bag for another multicolored screw and a very big toy sticker. And of course, lastly, we have the instruction manual here wherein you can build both the H1 Razor and the H2 Artemis. Right, so let's see and take a look individually at each of the screws. Alright, so let's take a look on the H1 screw first. We have here the A screw for the H1, a multicolored screw. I think it only kept most of the parts for the H1 Gundam. Then we have a B screw here, which is all white for the H1. Though coincidentally, we also have a B screw here that is similar to the H1, or rather it's for the H1, but I think this is for the razor attachment. And we then have a C screw, which is for the H1. And oh yeah, almost forgot.
We have another A screw, which is I think is for the razor part of the H1, which is all white. So those are all the screws, or rather the runners for the H1. And coming up, we are going to take a look in the H2, which we have an H screw with the multicolor for the H2 Gundam. Again, you can see some similar parts here from the previous H1, H2. Uh, we also have a another A screw, which is for the Artemis, which is all blue. And we have another or a sprue which is all white for the Artemis, another B sprue which is all gray, and we have a sprue which is all red for the H2, a fan back to the D sprue which is all white, another sprue coming up which is the PCS, and that's for the PC for the H2 and H1. And we have some lightsaber effects for the H2 Gundam. And of course, we have a very large sticker sheet for both the H1 and the H2 Gundam here. And there you have it, kind of fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Pbandai exclusive for the H1 Razor and the H2 Artemis. And this is Mr. saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, leave on the videos, share the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.